Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Enable developer options and USB debugging on the My device, then connect it to your computer with a USB cable. Once done, install ADB tools on your PC and the Button Mapper app on the phone. Button Mapper is the interface you will configure. Make sure the phone shows USB debugging authorization. If it does not, replug and approve the RSA prompt. This gets you into the only reliable path for remapping volume buttons on MIUI. Next, you give Button Mapper the secure permission it needs. On your PC, run ADB devices to confirm the phone is connected, then execute the grant command that allows writing secure settings. For example, ADB shell PM grant FLAR2, Button Mapper Android, permission, write secure settings. Once the command succeeds, reopen Button Mapper on the phone. You will now see options to remap short press, long press, and double press for volume up and down. Proceed to assign the exact actions you want for each event. Finally, configure each volume key action inside Button Mapper. Choose short press, long press, and double press behaviors and map them to media, app shortcuts, or system actions. After saving, test every mapping. If something won't trigger, reboot the phone and test again because MIUI sometimes delays secure setting application. If remapping still fails, make sure Button Mapper is excluded from battery optimization and allowed in auto start. This single troubleshooting step resolves most MIUI interference issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.